My area of research is looking to replace synthetic fibres such as glass fibre by more sustainable materials. Glass fibre is very energy intensive and it's currently not recyclable, so we'd like to look for more sustainable alternatives. And one of the main focuses has been in the natural fibre area, natural fibres such as hemp and wood fibre, as well as harakiki. These are materials that if you can extract the fibres themselves are very strong and stiff and lend themselves to being able to produce very strong and stiff and lightweight materials from them. So just to give you an idea of that and show you, whereabouts we're getting the fibre from, this is a very diminished hemp stalk actually that they grow about six metres high. But just to show you a bit of that, this is a green stalk. When it's dried, we get material that we can remove from the outside of that. So here I can strip off some really strong bast fibre material. Bast is the name of the fibre from the outside of the stalk. There's not a lot of fibre other than that. It's a hollow stalk that we would get. This outer fibre is the strongest and stiffest. So we can mix the fibre with plastic to produce structural materials such as I've got here. This one is wood fibre in thermoplastic material. Another example of a structural situation that we could use these materials for would be in skateboarding materials or surfboards or anything from furniture to bridges. So the problem with this material is that we've had to use a petroleum-derived plastic in which to put our fibres. So we've looked at alternatives that we can put our materials into. This material here is a plastic based on corn gluten meal that we can, this isn't reinforced, so the properties aren't great, but this is something that we could put fibre into to produce a biodegradable materials for things such as little pots for seedlings that we could put into the ground, which would biodegrade and release nutrients, and so we're not having to actually remove the seedling from the pot, which would damage the roots to actually then put it into the ground.